Hi, today I'm going to talk about the facial muscles or the muscles of the face. The facial muscles or the muscles of the face are striated muscles that attach to the bones of the skull to perform important functions for the daily life. For example, mastication and facial expressions. Then we're going to talk about that, but more in specifically. These muscles are located medially to ears, superior to the mandible, and inferior to corona softer of the skull. Defects in these muscles can lead to significant impairment of daily function. These are so important because we realize our daily expressions and talk with this. Structure and function of the facial muscles. The facial muscles serve two major functions for the body: mastication and facial expression. So, the muscles of the face can be separated into two big groups: those of chewing and those that are used for facial expressions. Our facial musculature is the one that generates facial gestures. It says to be the most developed in the animal kingdom. We have more than 30 facial muscles that helps for the facial expressions and other functions. In general, we can say that we have 43 facial muscles. These are ubicated all over the face. Also, there are facial muscles connected to the muscles of the neck. Now that we know structure and functions, we can talk about components or parts. Now that we know the division of the muscles for the functions, I'm going to tell you the division of the part of the muscles. For hair muscle group, orbital muscle group, nasal muscle group, oral muscle upper group, oral muscle group, and oral muscle lower group. Now I'm going to tell you in specifically the muscles that are used for chewing and the muscles that are used for facial expressions. Now you're going to see them on a screen. Chewing or mastication muscles, and facial expression muscles. Now I'm going to tell you some curiosities of the facial muscles. There are approximately 60 muscles in the face. Did you know that for smiling, you have to use more than 20 muscles? Did you know that the smallest muscle in the body is the stapedium? It is ubicated in the middle ear. It measures between 5 millimeters and 4 millimeters and is thinner than a cotton thread. It's used for audition. Do you know that approximately there's 45 muscles that work together for you to make facial expressions? When using, use the most of the muscles in the face. And the last thing we are going to talk about is the conditions and issues in the facial muscles. Conditions that cause problems with the muscles or nerves in the face includes Bell's palsy, which is caused by paralysis of the facial nerve. Weak and sagging muscles of one side in the face is the most common symptom. It also causes an inability to close one eye and mild pain in the facial muscles. Patients with idiopathic paralysis of the facial muscles can benefit from a physiotherapy process. For electrostimulation, the use of tape, from manual manipulation to stretching, for proprioception exercises to specific cognitive stimulation of each muscle. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and paying attention. Bye!